Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen wearing this cute Easter bunny costume. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the hole where the face is. Let's start with a curve across. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and in. And then a curve across the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move inside and add the face. At the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same on the right and on the left. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth with a curve down to the left and down to the right. And then another curve underneath. Next, let's move over and draw the eyes with 2 circles. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's move to the sides and draw 2 whiskers. Let's draw 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Next, let's hop up above and draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's continue it by curving it down and out. Next, let's hop back up under the face and let's draw a curve across in the middle here. Then underneath in the center, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down. And then let's curve it over to both sides. Next, let's add some details to the costume. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and back down for the first ear. And now the same thing on the right. Next, let's hop inside at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, on the sides, let's draw 2 ovals. Next, let's hop down inside the bottom left of the costume and draw the pocket. Let's start with a line across here, and then a U shape underneath. And that's it for the costume. Next, let's move down and finish drawing the bottom of the body. Let's start underneath on the left. Let's step in and let's draw a curve down and in like this. And the same thing on the right. Now let's connect them with the curve at the bottom. Next, inside at the bottom, let's add the feet. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve down like this. And the same on the right, but the opposite way. Lastly, let's add the tail on the bottom left. Let's start with the curve down, then bring it back around and in like this. And then inside, let's add 4 curves for the stripes. And that's it for this Easter Bunny costume, Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!